Hello everyone. So let's go start with the lesson about styles. I'm gonna go to my brackets. I'm gonna open brackets. Let me close this one and minimize stuff. So I'm gonna open brackets. I'm gonna go File, Open Folder. I'm gonna open the folder that has my website. Actually here. So you can put that in a better location. Actually, I put it in the wrong here. Lectures, courses, and actually I'm going to open the folder there. I think I didn't select. So File, Open Folder, and I'm going to go to Unit 2, and I'm going to select that folder. And my folder has, if you look here, has a HTML file, has a folded images, has 2 images in there. So the first thing that I'm going to do when looking at styles, if you go and go in live preview here in the little squiggly line here that you can see in the browser what you have done, you'll see that we don't have anything. It's like very boring. So the first thing I want to do is I want to give a style for the background. Inside the style, I'm going to put a back. And if I go and look at here, this already tells me the brackets already tell me what I can do. So in here, about the color. So I go into a website that I like. I already have, let me close it up. So Adobe Cooler is a website that allows you to get uh, explore colors, get colors for your website and everything. And also you can drag and drop here in the create a photo, and that will extract the all the pictures from the pictures, the colors, and you can save them in your library as a theme. If you're interested in this, I can do a little video about it. So I already have it here, my one swatch with some colors that I want to use. So I want to borrow this. I want to use this blue. I think it's nice. So I just copy and I'm going to paste this in my style. And when I paste in my style, I have my page already changed for the color. That's great. So now my page has a little color and it doesn't look that boring. The next step that I'm going to do is use color for the text color. Okay, so we're going to change the color of the text. So pretty much maybe this header here for um, nature. Uh, okay, so that's going to be like a header, travel and nature. And then I wanted to change the text color here. So here for the H1, I'm also going to give it style. And now I want to change the text color. So text, wait, text, and here a line, decoration, emphasis, justification, index. Oh, actually, it's not text, it's color. So color is for color. So if I go color here, and I'm gonna give you a color for that text. So let's go and look at my swatch. Since I'm using this, I kind of want to go with the theme, and it's gonna be very bold, and that's okay. This is only for the purpose of playing here around with it with this. So play around with. I really apologize for the cough, but I'm not feeling really well. So here I change. I'm playing around with these colors because I want to like kind of have fun. So I change it to like a little red, right? And that's my header now is uh changed for this color to this color. All right, very good. So now the next step is we change the color, the font family. So let's go give you this in here, font, and here we're gonna say family. The font family is font size, font dash family. And let's see what we get from family. Uh, we had to separate with semicolons, so font family. And actually, I want to see this monospace. Let's see how it looks like. So every time that you put a style, you have to put a semicolon so you can put another style on it. So you can add as many styles you want as long as you separate them by semicolon. So now I have travel and nature, kind of change the style there. So let's see what else they have. So if I go here and put semicolon, we have, how about fantasy? Ah, no, that's not, I didn't like it. So let's go and keep this monospace that I think is fun. All right, I'm gonna save here. So now I have changed the style of the font and the color of the font. Now a font family for the text font. Now we're gonna go and look at the font size. So here, continue with this. I'm gonna go and put a semicolon and I'm gonna say font less size. And then what kind of font size we want. Doesn't come up. How about 24 pixels? Let's see. How about really big? 45. Wow, that's big. So it's kind of fun. So you can actually always, you need to use pixels instead of another measurement. In a website, we use pixels to define the sizes, not inches or anything, but pixels. All right. So I count the pixels of the pages. All right. I can go in the what the pixels are, but it's pretty much is another measurement for websites, for the browser, how you measure the size of a picture, of a web page, is defined by pixel and other ones, but we're going to stick with this for now. All right, so that's good. So I change the font, I change the size and the color. Now I want to align this. I don't want this to be here in the side, but I want to be in the middle. So I'm going to continue with my style and I'm going to add text, align, is that, see? Align, and where you want to align this? You can align center, in the end, justify, left, match parent, right, start. I'm going to say center. So now I have aligned my title in the center. That's really nice. And the next thing that I'm going to do is, since I kind of, it's nice already, but it's kind of missing something, I'm going to add a little picture to my web page so I can see a little bit of the work that I have put on. So we're going to go to the website, W3 Schools, or to or to lecturers, and I'm gonna add actually I image here. In my case, if I looked in the image folder, I want to add this one. Oh, that's nice. And here we're gonna take this and we're gonna put Bumble Bee. All right, so that's my page, right? And in the future, we're gonna learn to put this picture in the middle, or the size, to change the size. We can add a size in here. But for now, this is what my website page looks like. So it's kind of getting nice in there. Cancel here. Save. So it's kind of nice. I don't want it. So travel nature is kind of nice. The next step will be center, and when you move your picture here, you want to move with your um, with you want the picture to resize when you move the browser here, the window for the browser. So that's steps when you learn CSS. It's like a more defined way to style your pages and give them create responsive websites with your HTML. All right, so I hope you got to you can put this together, try yourself, and see we how we come along. Okay.